Hello everyone, my name is Imran and today we are going to talk about how to link boards in monday.com. It's a very easy tutorial, so let's get started. First of all, on the left side you will see that I have two boards over here and right now I am at my better board right now. So this is by default, this is how it looks like. Obviously you might be seeing something different because you have already created all this up, but at the end you will see the plus icon and you can see add column over here. What you need to do, just click on this and after that you will find connect option over here. Click on this. Once you click on that, you will see that connect boards over here. You just need to click on select boards and here you can see all the boards. On the left side you will see all of them over here, and obviously you can search by name if you have multiple boards over here. Right now I'm going with this one, YouTube. Click on connect your boards and once you do that you will see create a mirror column. What happens that if you want to copy a single column from YouTube to this board which I have right now, this would allow you to keep up your work as well as on different boards and you can work on this board as well. So you can just create a mirror from over here and you can select anything from that board, the specific column you are looking for. So you can select any column from over here and it will mirror over here. And if you want to add multiple columns from YouTube board, you can also do that by clicking on add column again and click on more columns from over here. And once you do that, scroll down until you see mirror, or you can also search for at the top mirror and you can add to board, and obviously you can connect to YouTube board, and after that select that column from over here and that will mirror up over here. So that's it. This is all you need to know how to link boards in Monday. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.